Mochi rice cakes are one of the most popular treats in Japan, and they come in a variety of flavors ranging from savory to sweet. We were thrilled when our neighbor invited us over to make mochi at New Year's. It was freezing outside, making this the perfect winter activity. All that was needed was some steamed rice, a massive stone mortar, an equally impressive hammer, and of course, their kind expertise. After the rice soaked overnight, it was steamed until glutinous and then transferred to the warmed mortar in preparation for pounding. But of course, an important initial taste test. My neighbors started us off squishing the rice and starting to break it down so that the rice would form together as one before the real fun of hammering it into a paste would begin.
That's a level.
Wow.
さすが。よいしょ。
わ。
よいしょ。よいしょ。よいしょ。
Careful, sweetheart.
よいしょ。よいしょ。よいしょ。よいしょ。やってくれる。よいしょ。やってくれる人いるからね。よいしょ。よいしょやるんですよね。
It's great fun and a good workout, similar to chopping wood. Taking turns, we would pound the rice, and then in between each hammerfall, our brave neighbor would quickly wet her hand to prevent the rice from sticking and then pull the pounded edges back to the center to keep what would soon be a giant mochi ball together. After every 50 or so poundings, our neighbor would have us stop, reconstitute the rice ball, and we could then continue. It took somewhere between 150 to 200 hammers before getting the nod of approval that the consistency was correct.
よいしょ。よいしょ。
After the hammering was complete, it was time to roll out the mochi, break it into edible-sized pieces, and cover them in toppings. We were treated to savory mochi which were covered in shoyu soy sauce or natto mixed with nozawana, as well as sweet mochi covered in roasted sesame seed powder or red beans.
I'm gonna put 6.
Any leftovers were portioned, dried, and stored to be eaten in the weeks and months to come. But with a quick toast in the oven or air fryer, mochis will puff up, regain their marshmallow-like consistency, making them ready for toppings. Thank you for this wonderful experience.